In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Grok AI not working. If Grok AI app is not working, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You want to switch between Wi-Fi and data and vice versa and check. If your problem is not fixed, you want to turn on the flight mode. Now wait for at least 15 seconds, then you want to turn it off. Now check if your app is working. If not, you want to turn off any VPN or proxy apps. These can block or interrupt Grok from loading properly. Next thing you want to do is force close the app. For that, tap and hold on the Grok icon, then tap on the app info icon, which will take you to settings. Here, find the option of force stop. Go ahead and select that, then tap on OK. While you're here, you want to scroll down and tap on storage. Here, you should be able to find the option of clear cache. Tap on that. Then head back. Now launch open Grok and check if your issue is fixed. If not, then you want to update the app. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store, then search for Grok. If you find the option of update, tap on that. Now wait for the update to be completed. After it has been completed, launch open Grok and check if your issue is fixed. If it is not, then you want to reinstall the app. For that, go ahead and uninstall the application. After it has been uninstalled, launch open Play Store or App Store and then install this app again. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.